guys, we're back at the track with the turbo box body. If you missed that video, we installed a turbo kit in 2 days. And a bunch of different stuff. So we took this already out to Bradenton. We went at 950 at 112 on the brakes. I was trying not to get kicked out. Turns out I should have just sent it. We did have some issues with the charge pipe. So this charge pipe kept blowing off. We've made some adjustments. Hopefully that holds in there. We're running nitrous just to get the car off the line because the trans brake and two-step aren't on. But we did get an anti-roll bar in there. Brad went ahead and welded that in. All right, so one of the major changes we made for today was putting the UPR anti-roll bar in there. Brad went ahead and welded this in. I think he did a pretty good job. We have the preload set. So hopefully, if it wheelies, it'll wheelie straight, and hopefully it should be good. Feels good. I'm just gonna stay in it, and hopefully we go 8s. I think I turned the boost controller accidentally up a little bit. It was pretty nasty on the streets. Here's some test hits. But yeah, we're gonna see what happens. Got Derek helping out with the camera today, and I don't know. Let's see if it wheelies. I don't know what it's gonna do. Let's do it.
Yo, you need to get a daily truck like that.
Footed like shit, and I had the boost controller turned down, so it was only 10 pounds, but it's moving. Didn't 60 foot because for some reason only the fuel solenoid's working, so we need to figure out our spray. The purge is working fine. Right? So unfortunately, it looks like the wiring and everything's all good. I did tear into that, but basically when we smack the solenoid, it starts to work. So we got a bad nitrous solenoid, so I need to go, hopefully I can find and maybe buy a nitrous solenoid off someone here. That'd be nice. Let's see what we can find. A lot of people here. Someone's got to have a spare nitrous solenoid.
All right, guys, this is a judgment-free zone. All right,
Ghetto engineering. So we're only running this as a 50 shot of spool lead. Me and him Derek and I both came up with this at the exact same time as we were staring at the purge solenoid. We have now wired the purge solenoid to our 50 shot. So we're gonna test purge through the motor. It should work. I mean, we already tested to make sure it works, so. You put the jets in?
Yeah.
All right.
Oh, no jets? Perfect.
dude.
Yeah, dude, we're in there, bro.
We only need it for the first 60 feet, and I let off the nitrous. So,
all right, let's go get in
still got
line.
full bottle pressure. It's so hot out here. We don't even need the bottle heater on.
Like we both said, no judgment. We had to make it work. We literally walked around everywhere asking people
No
for
one runs nitrous anymore, apparently.
No, that or they just don't want to let us use the sauce.
I would have paid for it. I would have paid $100 for a stupid nitrous solenoid.
Well, that's how we get her done right there, dude.
That's it, dude. All right. I like it. Let's not leave any tools on the car. We reused some electrical tape. We'll get a new nitrous solenoid in. That one there is pretty old, so.
Thank God for this guy over here. He had
one butt connector we borrowed.
Yep. I even tried to offer him some cash.
I think I'm fired from tool duty though. I mean, the only thing that was useful was this thing and a vice grip. Come on.
No, dude, these came in, you know, pretty legit, dude.
Oh, I'm putting those back in these were in the truck. Pop a lock.
Dude, that's a
wire
stripper 5000 right there, dude.
It works great for wire strippers and
yeah.
Found that in one of the wrecked cars.
Sweet.
So, the nitrous line, it burst a hole in the nitrous line, literally right here. I have never seen that before, but hopefully we can get that fixed. A little bit more boost. I sprinkled another 10% up the duty cycle, so just a little bit more, and I think we'll go 8s with ease. It didn't even really 60 foot that well, that pass. I can still hear the nitrous leaking out, but I closed the bottle. All right, let's see what we did. Thank you. To the 8. 152 60 foot. I think the nitrous actually, the line broke. The line broke, I think, right away. So it's still leaking out some nitrous. So 9.1 at 150. It's moving. Did a 4.46, 60 to 130. That's pretty rowdy. Hopefully we can fix this nitrous line. I don't know if we're gonna be able to cut it and maybe, I don't know.
What up, dude? Looked like it left good.
It did. Well, kind of. It's not the best 60 foot, but 152 is pretty good. We went 123 to the 8th. So we picked up another 3 mile an hour with the 10% of duty cycle we added. We got a hole in our nitrous line right here. So that's not great. We need to figure out some way to fix this and make another pass. I'll add another 10% to the boost controller, and we should have no problem going 8.8 or 8.9 today. Even in this heat, it's hot. It's this really shitty weather. So, yeah.
Did the solenoid work though?
Solenoid worked. I'm wondering if it's not flowing enough and it's putting too much pressure on this line.
No, it would be pretty hard.
Okay, you're good. There was a bee around Derek's head. He almost died.
Probably. No, that's just bad line.
Yeah. I mean, there's way too much of it too. If we could shorten it, You think someone might have ANs, but then we gotta cut it. It's just so much stuff to find here.
I don't know if that's like PTFE line where you gotta have a special fitting for it.
Let's make some tweaks. The turbo kit, working fantastic. Nitrous kit, fighting us today.
Yeah.
Don't know why, but
Nitrous is not in your favor.
yeah. Yeah, we only need the nitrous for just the 60 foot. I mean, we really won't need the nitrous after we hook up the trans brake and two-step. It should go, I don't know, 1.3, 1.2, 60. Just with that 60 foot alone and this 9.1 pass, we'd be in the 8s. So I just didn't have enough time to wire this properly. I didn't want to rush it, so that's why it's like this. But the nitrous works. It lights the turbo really fast. So, all right, let's figure out a solution. Also, the nitrous is still leaking out of the line, but we made it work. Woo! Alright. What do we do? Oh, it's a 914. We didn't go 8s?
Well, dude.
Well, got damn close. Car's not 60 footing today, but the DA is really crappy. We got another 1250 additional feet today than last time out of the track. But we went 9.1 back to back. The added boost didn't really seem to help. So, yeah. I mean, trans brake and two-step, it'll go 8s with just this mile/hour and just a little bit better 60. So I think next time out we should have no problem going 8s. If the weather gets cooler, then yeah.
Definitely. I put the chute back on my board.
This thing needs a parachute. This thing needs safety equipment. Needs brakes. The brakes, I gotta go like that. That eventually slows down. But it did go faster 60 to 130 though. I think it went a 4.3 on that one, 60 to 130. So we're knocking on the doors of 3s, 60 to 130. I'm just wondering if we're running out of top end with this turbo, or maybe we're running just way too much RPM out the back half that it's starting to lay over. But overall, make sure you slap the like button down below. Leave a comment, let us know what you think. And yeah, we just went bottom 9s with, you know, this setup's only been together for a week, so it's crazy. So we'll see you in the next one. Hopefully we can go 8s with this thing.
Why'd you take the blower off?
Let's take the blower off.
Why'd you take the blower off?